Today we are going to show you the super easy food, spring roll with noodle.
If you want to learn how to make an easy meal, then click subscribe and the bell icon, and let's do together.
What should we make for dinner tonight? That's easy. Could we just pay someone to come up with an easy dinner idea for us? We are food bloggers. We literally cook dinner for a living, and that question still haunts us sometime. Standing there, staring into the fridge, wondering what you can whip up tonight that everyone will gladly eat. And that won't take a zillion hours, yeah. We have been there. For you, we have learned together. From my channel, like in this video as well. As easy dinner recipes we have got. Some are a little more indulgent. Some are vegetarian recipes. And some are about a big slab of protein. But they are unified by their simplicity. So here you have it, over absolute best. Easy dinners all in one place. So if you are always on the lookout for quick and easy in 3 minutes weeknight meal, you have found just what you need in these spicy noodle spring rolls. They are filled with bean sprouts, lettuce, carrots, and gluten-free noodles tossed in spicy. After a few minutes of chopping and preparing, you will be ready to roll with this tasty light lunch or dinner.
Thank you for your value time watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest video. Thank you.